Hello, welcome to Math Marvel. Today we're going to be talking about completing the square of a quadratic equation to solve the equation when a equals 1. Remember that a is the coefficient of the x squared term. So, in all four problems we'll do in this video, the a is 1. So the first step to solve by completing the square is by putting our constant term on the other side of the equation. So what I do here is add 4 to both sides of the equation. And I get x squared minus 2x. And I'll leave space between this and the equal sign, and you'll see why in just a minute, equals to 4. Now I'm going to take this linear coefficient of negative 2 divided by 2 and square it. And then add that value to both sides of the equation. Negative 2 divided by 2 is a negative 1. A negative 1 squared is a positive 1. So we add 1 to both sides of the equation. This can be factored. It is what we call a perfect square trinomial. We just created a perfect square trinomial. It could be factored as an x minus a 1 squared, and it's going to equal to a 4 plus 1, which is a 5. We take square root of both sides, and I get x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5. So my solutions are x is 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. And all the other solutions that actually have the video are going to be integer solutions. So we made the first problem the hardest on purpose. So here, again, first step is going to be adding that 51 to the other side. So we get a squared plus 14a, where I leave that space, will equal to a 51. Alright, and then I take this 14 divided by 2 and square it. 14 over 2 is 7. 7 squared is 49. Add 49 to both sides. This can factor as an a plus 7 squared. That's equal to 100. Take the square root of both sides. I get that a plus 7 is plus or minus 10. So a is equal to negative 7 plus or minus 10. So a will equal to negative 17 or 3. Okay. Third problem here, we have n squared minus 2n minus 3 equals 0. Again, first step, put a 3 on the other side by adding 3. So I have n squared minus 2n, and that space is equal to a positive 3. Take this negative 2, divided by 2, I get negative 1. Negative 1 squared is a positive 1. Add that positive 1 to both sides. Factor this, and I get an n minus a 1 squared is equal to a 4. Take the square root of both sides. I get n minus 1 is equal to a plus or minus 2. So n is equal to 1 plus or minus 2. So n will equal to a 3 or a negative 1. Final equation for the day. X squared plus 14x minus 15 is 0. First step, get that 15 to the other side. Make sure to leave the space here, and I say that's equal to a 15. Take the 14, divided by 2, square it. 14 over 2 is 7. 7 squared is 49. I factor this. I get x plus a 7 squared, and that's going to equal to 64. Take the square root of both sides. X plus 7 is going to equal to a plus or minus 8. So x is equal to a negative 7 plus or minus 8. So x will equal to a negative 15 or positive 1. And that's our solution. So, by the end of the video, you should have learned how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square when a is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you learned something new. Bye.